Alright, so today I finally got my upgrade. I wanted a laptop, but this was way cheaper. So, yeah, let's begin. Alright, so first in line, it's my power supply. Well, not really power supply. It's a UPS. So basically, if power goes out, I have a couple minutes to run stuff and like close and like whatever, so nothing gets lost. If I'm like doing, I don't know, animations on After Effects or something, I won't lose them. Kind of like a laptop, but for a desktop. I hope this is true though. I do hope this is true. Alright, let's move on. As you can see, it's very boring. It's just literally a black box with like vents on the side, and then vents on the other side. And then on the back, got reset button and like a bunch of ports. Yeah, that's it. Apparently this one is like power and surge, and this is just like surge. So it has like a couple ports that will have like a battery backup, and these ones are just to protect it from like, I don't know, power spikes or something. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so second on my upgrade thing, it's my new wireless router. So yeah, I currently am not running on 5 gigahertz, which is annoying because everything just dies. So technically, I can run almost a gigabit on 5 gigahertz with this thing. I also have full gigabit port, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It looks pretty slick, so let's open it up. Alright, so this is it. It's a router. Yay. You can like in this weird box and like everything's wrapped apparently, and there's the power cord that's kind of small, to be honest. Like it's kind of short, I'm not gonna lie. This thing's super shiny and I like it, so it's pretty alien looking and I love it. Oh, it also came with like this bag. Just took it off, so there's that. But yeah, also recording all of this with just one hand is annoying, so I might do another edit. Alright, so that's it. Let me check the ports on this thing. Okay, so on the back, there's the power. There's a yellow one that says, oh, okay, so the yellow one's for internet, and then those three are for normal connectivity, I guess. So the last part of the small boxes, which I'm scared to open the other ones, is the 6 terabyte hard drive, because I don't have space on mine, so yeah, that's about it. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, so this is a hard drive. It looks like a freaking Xbox One, like the original Xbox One for some dumb reason. Like, literally, from the sides and everything, it legit looks like an Xbox One, just a tiny one. I don't know, it's cool. So again, it's 6 terabytes, and it has 2 tiny ports at the front that I can use to connect whatever I want. So it's pretty cool. Came with its USB cable and its power cable. That's kind of long, which I like. Alright, let's move on. Alright, next in line, it's my monitor. Which, if you follow Ninja, you know that he promoted this monitor. It actually came from my computer. So, yeah, it has like a 1 millisecond response time and like super fast everything. It's just huge. So, this will take a bit. Okay, as I was saying, it's 1 millisecond response time and 240 frames. So, that's amazing. Not frames, hertz. Sorry, I can speak. So, it's pretty cool. I thought this thing had G-Sync support, but apparently it has AMD FreeSync, which is fine, I guess. I don't know. We will see how it works, but also apparently it has like other ports. Stand by. Okay, so yeah, it has apparently HDMI 1, 2, that's supposed to be power, DisplayPort, USB. I don't know what the tiny thing is. Maybe that's like, oh, I think that's like the fat USB 3. I don't know. So 2 more normal USBs, then a space, and another USB headphone jack, and another USB that supposedly charges your device. So I can have like my phone here, and it will charge on its own. That's pretty legit. Okay, so I was having issues opening the thing, and then I looked on the back and there's this thing, and like you're supposed to put your finger on that, and then just pull, and it comes off, and then you see this, like it opens up a hole, and then you can open it. It took me a while to figure that out. Okay, bye. Okay, I just realized there's also two at the front. I is very smart today. Okay, I was able to open it up, and this thing is massive. Like, literally. Look at this. It's freaking massive, dude. Oh, I have a manual or something. I'm probably going to need it. So, yeah, massive stuff. Let's continue. Alright, so the first tiny box inside the big box, it's all the cables. There's the power. There's this weird USB cable. Like, look at it. It's pretty weird. Oh my god. This is white. I need help. It has like a USB cable. It's literally a USB cable. It's that weird looking one. Unless it's like, maybe this is DisplayPort and I'm just very dumb. It might be DisplayPort. I don't know. And then HDMI. So there's that. And then there's this backplate for whatever. I don't know yet where it goes, but there's a giant backplate there. Alright, let's continue. Okay, I just took the display out, and dude, it is freaking massive. And it almost has no freaking bezel, so you see that? That's awesome. It has the Alienware logo down here, like nothing over there. And then on the bottom, it has like this weird shaped buttons, and I think it's a speaker grill, or it could be like for heat, I don't know. And then I don't know what those are, but then that's USB and power, headphone jack, the other USB. I don't know what those are. They're probably nothing. And then that. So that's the bottom of it, by the way. Okay, so on the back I just have the hole for the stand, and then power is over here. That's the first HDMI. Then I assume that's power. No, that's something else. I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. Another HDMI. That's DisplayPort. So I'm not very dumb. That other thing is a USB because it's right there, and it's labeled as USB. I just don't know what it is for, or like how am I supposed to use it. So yeah, it only came with a HDMI, so I guess that's what I'm going to be using. And like, yeah. Oh wait, maybe that's another headphone jack. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, it might be. I don't know. On this side, it has nothing, and this is where the other panel goes in from the box. So yeah. Also, don't try to open it with just one hand. Like, you can't take it out with just one hand. It was really heavy. You almost fell. Alright, bye. So I'm back at the box, and this is the stand, like this and that thing. However, it's like split in half, so it's not broken, it's the way it came, so it needs to be assembled. So I'm going to take the time to actually like assemble this part, and then I'll see you once the motor is up. Okay, this took me way too long, but I finally got it. So I assembled stand, which is kind of easy to do once you figure out how. It has the Alienware logo on the top, and then the monitor, which is still super awesome. Also, there's a hole down here where you can put your cables through, and like it will stop from like messing around and stuff with your cables. So it's pretty cool. All right, let's move on. All right, next in line is the computer itself, which came on a box. So I need to open that. So it's a box within a box. I don't know how I'm going to get it out without dropping it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so this is the actual box of the computer. Dude, it looks so cool. I don't know if you can guys see it. You probably can't. Okay, you can. So the box itself has like a freaking design that is like shiny. Doesn't matter like where you go in the box, it has like a really cool design. And like, yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, let me flip this over. Okay, so the black design apparently is only on one side, but like all of this actually goes all the way around the box, so it's pretty freaking cool. On this side, I don't really have anything like impressive, just those numbers. There's the whole thing. Okay, so I'm missing a mouse here. but that's fine. Alright, and now, that's a big boy right there. He looks heavy. He was heavy. That's why I'm out of breath. So, this will be fun to take apart. Not take apart, just open. Alright, bye. Alright, so here I have my jet engine looking computer. It's pretty sick, not gonna lie. It's very shiny. But that's the Alienware logo. Those are some USB ports, headphone, microphone, and nothing on the bottom. Intel sticker right there. And yeah. Alright, on the side, I have two air vents. They seem like they're pretty legit. On the top, I have another air vent, and there's the radiator right there. So, it's pretty cool. This thing is water cooled, by the way. So, that's awesome. Okay, so this is the back. But I noticed something that is not right. Okay, so I ordered my system with one RTX 2080, and there's two freaking video cards in here. So I'm legit need to I need to power this thing on and see what is going on, because I did not order a system with two graphic cards. Also on the back, USB ports, audio ports, lots of USB ports, more audio ports. That's a power supply. That's the release thing, so I can open the case. So I'm actually do that just to see what cards I got. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. I have two RTXs. I legit did not order two RTXs. I'm not sure if they're even on SLI. They might be. I don't even know. I legit need to boot this thing up. Okay, I'm in panic mode. They are on SLI. There's freaking SLI in here. I did not order this. What is this? Oh my god. I guess I just got a bigger upgrade than what I was expecting, man. Like, everything else is the same, or it should be. I don't know. There's two HyperX memory sticks there. There's a Core i7. I'm just not even sure what it has right now. Okay, so I'm in panic mode. I only ordered one GPU. It was supposed to be an RTX 2080 for my computer. There's currently two inside of it. I don't know what model they are, I don't know what they are, but there's two. I did not order two. I can't talk, I'm sorry. So I'm going to figure out what happened, and I'll update you guys once I know what happened. Guys, it's on. It looks so pretty. And my camera's dirty. Anyway, it's so pretty. Okay, so I booted it up, but I went straight into the BIOS because I wanted to see this. It is a Core i7 9700K, so that's legit. Everything checks out. I have the 2TB hard drive in it, the SSD, 32 gigs of RAM. The memory speed's also different. I was supposed to get 266. It just, yeah, no, it's actually higher, so that's awesome. But yeah. Okay, so last thing I need to do is to actually check out Windows to see what graphics cards we have. It is an RTX, but it could be an RTX 2060 or 2070. If I'm really lucky, then I have two 1080s. I also contacted Dell. They said that the service tag actually matches what was ordered, so that I need to check with my seller and see what happened there. Alright guys, moment of truth. This is where we see what graphics card I got. Haven't even completely installed Windows, by the way. Alright, so move this here. Split, bro! There's, oh my god! Okay. Okay. This is awesome. Bro. Two RTX 1080s. I'm the luckiest kid in the world. Alright, so I talked to the seller, and they said that that was the configuration that they ordered, that it's fine, it remains the same price. Apparently it just came with the bundle. Since my monitor was free, it came with 2 graphics cards instead, and they just had the wrong flyer. So I got, like, it was a beast of a system before. Now it's double that. Bro, I am so freaking happy. Not gonna lie. Alright, I guess that's it. I just need to finish installing Windows. And yeah, that's about it.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.